Welcome back to another quick assist video, and today we're going to be showing you how to turn on the flash as a signal for ringing. If you have it on silent mode, for example, or you just want to be able to have this flash if there is an incoming call. So this is all we have to do is we're going to go ahead and go to settings. From settings, we're going to go to accessibility right here. From accessibility, we're going to want to go down to audio and visual, click that. Then from audio visual, go all the way to the bottom, and then you will see visual. Go ahead and click that. It's currently off. Turn on this toggle. Now, from now, it will flash. It's currently set at LED flash. There are some other options. You can have the phone also, the front also flash, and you can also turn on flash while it's unlocked. So go ahead and adjust these and see which one works for you. But other than that, now when you have an incoming call, it will actually flash in the back, and it'll just help notify that you have an incoming call, especially if it's on silent mode, something like that. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.